General School?
Mba. Mba. Oh, about Kaite.
Okay. Mama no pan.
Oh no. Bye bye. Bye bye.
I don't believe that.
Okay.
Sister, what are you doing? What is it now? You want to hurt yourself? It's only OKARO. You put your hand in the fire.
The food is burning and I decided to help you.
Let the food burn, sister. It's better the food burns than seeing you hurt yourself.
I hope the food has not completely burnt. Before going for your jam lessons.
Sister, don't worry about me. Okay? I can take care of myself. Yeah? Are you
sure?
Yes, I'm fine. Let it burn. Eh? Come, let's go inside. Oh? Name the joke today. Cham. Yeah, come. You know you're my only sister. Eh? Name me you my G. Don't worry, don't come and go inside. Don't worry, I'll take care of it, even if it burns. Yeah?
Elisa.
Yeah?
I hope you didn't put too much salt in this pepper soup.
Listen, you know when it comes to cooking pepper soup, I'm the best. So pack well.
Are you sure? Because yesterday's own was too salty.
Yesterday's own was too salty. Okay. So why are you the only person complaining?
Because I'm too observant now.
You are too observant?
Yes, sir.
I know you want to test my pepper soup, but it won't work. Don't worry. Today's own is perfect.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, see. Let me test it.
Ibekwe. If I see your hand anywhere close to this pot of pepper soup, I will cut it off.
Okay. Olisa, see, I want to buy 1 plate of pepper soup. Don't worry, I will pay you tomorrow.
You want to buy 1 plate of pepper soup?
Yes.
You will pay me tomorrow?
Yes, I promise I'll pay you tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
You'll pay me tomorrow?
Yes.
Alright, no problem. Come back tomorrow.
Is it?
Come back tomorrow. Why are you moping at me? It's simple now. You are sure you will pay me tomorrow. When you come tomorrow now, I'll not sell. Carton head. Simple. I give me small, let me test. Beg, come out straight. You'll be trying to play unnecessary prank.
You have to come back tomorrow.
Come back tomorrow when you have the money.
Hey. Hey. Yes. Hey. Now my sister is the most beautiful girl in the whole village. Did I say village? In the whole world.
You have started teasing me again.
Teasing you? How can I tease you? Don't you know your name? Chibugum. Do you know what Ugo is? Ugo is the most beautiful bird. Yes, that is what you are. You see, with this your beauty, if Olisa sees you, I'm sure he will not let you go. Yes.
Echezola, are you there?
Sister, I'm here. I'm here.
Echezola, don't tell me you're crying again. You know how it hurts me whenever you're crying, eh? It's not our fault that I'm like this. Only God knows the reason.
Sister, I can't help it anymore. I can't help it. Look at you. Look at us. Hey, God. Sister, I'm not crying again. I'm not. See ya, sister. Sister, I've stopped crying. I've stopped. Look stop crying again. Sister, I promise I'm going to study hard. I will study so hard to become an optician. And once I become an optician, you will be the first person I will operate on. And by God's grace, you will retain your sight. You will regain your sight.
You have said that several times. And I believe you, oh?
My sister, I will never stop promising you. And by God's grace, I will fulfill the promise.
Stop crying. Stop crying, okay? Hey, Chizona. Stop crying.
Okay, sister. Okay. Okay, sister, let's go. Just wait for me. Let me put this inside. Yeah?
Okay.
Get inside.
Mazi.
Oh, Amodi, sir.
Good morning, sir.
You are here already?
Yes, they said you sent for me.
Yes, you're welcome. Please sit down.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Oh.
Just a minute. Hi, you're welcome.
Thank you. You sent for me?
Yes, I sent for you. Do you still remember that, my son? Frederick, my son.
Frederick, the one that went to study medicine abroad.
You know him. Yes, you still remember him.
Yes, I do.
Well, he called and told me that he has graduated.
Already?
Yes.
Hey! Yeah. Wow!
And that he'll be coming home very soon.
Oh, that is good.
You can imagine.
You must be very proud of your son. You're now the father of a doctor. Not just any doctor, but the one trained abroad.
You can say that again.
That is good.
You know?
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Not only that, he said I should start looking for a good girl for him to marry as soon as he comes back.
I see.
Yes.
So have you found, or are you still looking?
That is why I called you.
Okay.
I found a good thing in your place. I'm planning, if God permits and if you will, to hook the two of them together.
That is really kind of you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I feel honored. I really feel honored.
That is it.
Okay.
But it's only if you permit to, you know.
And now who am I to not to permit?
If you give approval.
From your family? No. In short, let me rush home and go and deliver the good news.
It's okay. It's okay.
All
Thank you
right.
very much.
Thank you so much,
I'm very grateful.
Mazi, God bless you.
Yeah, please. Don't hesitate to give me a feedback.
I'll do just that.
Thank you
No
very
problem.
much. Let me see you.
Okay.
What is it? Nothing. I just try to. I want to know whether.
My friend, drop that.
Here. Olisa. Olisa, what is going on? Where is our customers? Why are they not coming? Huh? What is happening? What is happening today? I'm having these feelings that today's business will not go well.
Ibekwe. Ibekwe. The thunder that will fire you will come from Amadioha's shrine. What's your problem now? If they have sent you, tell them I'm not available. It's too early to complain.
Why would I complain? Olisa, why wouldn't I complain since I know the problem is from you?
Are you serious? So
yes, now.
How?
Let's put this one. Assuming now you sold one pepper soup. At least that person now will not ask me for one bottle of palm wine. I will be selling my own too.
Ibeko, you are just lazy. You are just lazy. Very, very lazy. Yes. Must you depend on my pepper soup to sell your palm wine? Must you? Hustle. Hawk. Yes, hawk.
Right, so wait, Olisa, I should go and hawk.
Before uncle.
Me, Ibekwe one for Dikeh. The only successful and the young palm wine tapper in this village. I should go and hawk palm wine. It's not possible. I cannot hawk palm wine. Instead of me hawking the palm wine, I will drink everything and finish it and go home and sleep.
Now I know why you started this conversation, my friend. Like, listen. Don't touch any palm wine here. Are you listening?
Wait, are you dragging my palm wine?
It's not your palm wine, it's our palm wine. It's family business.
I don't like this thing. I don't like this. Allow me to drink now. Allow me to drink now.
Be careful.
No customer, they are not coming. So allow me to drink.
You want to drink?
You want? I will drink this. I will drink this. I will drink you. Leave me.
I used to be.
It's not my palm wine.
Go on,
I want to drink it.
No matter, it's not no. Come on,
I will drink you. Leave me.
Hey, the love of my life is here.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, my love.
My love, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, yeah.
How are you doing today?
I'm alright, you're welcome. Let's go, man. Welcome. Let's go and see. It's easy. Hello, please sit. Yeah. It's so much. You're welcome.
Bros, I have to be on my way now.
Relax. You're always in a hurry. Relax.
I'm going for jam lessons.
Forget that you're jam. Listen, take a glass of palm wine. One for the road. I insist. I'm coming, my Ezbo mother.
Okay.
Hi, my man.
Just one glass.
Enjoy, my brother. We are one. And how are you? Ezbo mother.
I hope you're fine.
I'm blessed. No.
Thank you.
Because this is sweet though.
You know how I roll now. Raw. Yeah. Let me go with this one. Take away.
I should go with this one.
Enjoy. Take away. You are one. Sister. Take care, yeah.
Alright, okay.
I'll come back.
Okay.
Give me take away.
Okay. Alright.
Thank you.
Okay. Take care of yourself, Inugo.
No problem.
Okay.
I'm going for lesson so that I'll be a soldier.
Have you forgotten?
Yes. Alright.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Okay. Sorry, where are we starting from today?
Ako! Mama! Bia! Daddy! Mama! Here! I have good news for you.
Mama, this is why you're happy this morning. What is this now? Tell me.
Why wouldn't I be happy? Something is about to happen to us. Something good.
Mama, what is that? Mama, yes, tell me now.
Okay, listen. This morning, Mas Ignatius sent for me. I went there and he told me that his son Frederick, who has been studying medicine abroad, has graduated. And that he's coming home to find a wife. And guess who this wife is going to be?
Mama, who?
My own lovely daughter, Ako.
Mama.
Eh?
Mama, are you joking with me?
Joking what? Hey, Ako.
Mama, Moa.
Better go and get ready because you're going abroad with that man.
Mama?
Eh?
You mean I am going to be a wife to a medical doctor?
Look at this girl. Mama, I said something is about to happen.
Mama,
I am saying.
Then I will now travel abroad with him.
Oh.
Like, I'm going abroad, Mama.
Yes, now.
And get Mama,
his wife. Hey! Follow me. Hey! Mother-in-law to a doctor.
Yes.
Ask him, do you know any doctors? If I yes, Dr. Frederick.
Hey,
mother-in-law to a doctor. I just say I'm on a doctor, man. Dr. Frederick. Hey, Dr. Frederick.
Say it again. Oh Jesus! I'm gonna then I'll get the van. Hey! Oh boy! I need a bottle of palm wine. Get me a bottle of palm wine. Me too. Get me a bottle of palm wine now.
Wait. How many bottles have you taken? Huh? Or are you here to drink yourself to stupor?
Wait, I don't understand. Are you trying to tell me I don't know my gauge anymore? My friend, will you go there and get me a bottle of palm wine?
Wait. Did you just call me my friend? Are you stupid? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? I am EBERE, the only palm wine tapper in this village. You don't know. Let me tell you. Don't talk to me like that. I'm not selling. I'm not selling. I'm not selling.
Is that your customers?
Who is this person? I was clapping. I'm not selling. Nonsense. Since you don't know, the remaining one was mistaken.
Olsa, Olsa, you mean say we're gonna take pepper soup with tap and wine? Come on, give us palm wine and may we enjoy ourselves. If you don't bring, I no go pay.
My brother, please calm down.
Forget, calm down.
Calm down.
Forget, calm down. Yeah,
everybody, calm down. Relax. EBERE, what is it? Sell palm wine to our customers.
Today, palm wine has finished. Palm wine has finished. This is for me. How are they here to drink themselves to stupor?
Wait, I don't understand. Are you guys trying to tell me you're not serious for your business?
Let's leave here.
No, don't me. Come now.
Your money. I hope you have collected the wrong money. Can you imagine this people? Leave them, let them go. Can you imagine? They want to bring themselves to stupor. This is not how we do it. Are you stupid? Do you know how much I'm losing? Hey! What is happening there?
If only sinaga biganeluwa, ewu chimo, ebekino.
Sorry.
Don't touch his painful.
Sorry, calm down, man. Let's wait first.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's very painful. It's very painful.
Sorry.
Siva.
Oh my goodness.
Don't touch his painful. It's painful.
Sister, what happened to you? What happened here?
Something happened. I fought with my brother, so... But I don't even know how to explain this.
It was not his fault. I shouldn't have tried to separate them knowing that I'm blind. It was not his fault.
Wait. You mean they gave you this injury? Huh?
It is I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional.
You're sorry! Sister, let's go. Come on, let's go.
It's not as bad as you think. It's not as bad as you think.
I will not bring you here again.
No. It's not that serious yet. I want to take her to the chemist. Please now. I want to take her to the chemist.
It's not as bad as you think. No.
Wait. So Lisa wanted to kill you?
Mama, Lisa is wicked. Mama, Lisa would have killed me if not that I ran away. Mama, I had to go to the pharmacy. They gave me a very powerful pain reliever. And they said I should eat very strong food. Very strong food, or big food.
So this second plate is not enough?
No, Mama. It's not enough. Oh.
Step up. Good. Step up. Step up. Yeah, sorry. Step up. Yeah, wait, let me keep the chair away from you, yeah? Yes, step up. Let me bring food for you to eat so that you take your drugs, yeah?
He said I should eat even 3 or more plates.
Yeah. Asiocha. But you can lie, you.
It's okay. Ako, go and get him another plate.
Go.
Mama.
Go.
Mama, only him 3 plates.
Go and get him another plate.
Go.
Oh.
Olisa,
Mama.
We were just talking about you. Why did you want to kill your brother?
No, Mama. The question should be, why was he being stupid? Can you imagine? Just because I stopped him from insulting our customers, he refused to sell pepper soup and palm wine to them. To grant it all, he was even insulting them.
Is that what happened?
No, Mama. Don't mind him, oh. Don't mind him. Oh, Lisa was there when the customers were insulting me. He didn't even say anything, no. He did not even say anything until I refused to say more palm wine.
My friend, will you shut up? Customers are always right.
Yes.
Customers are always right.
That is true. Customers are always right. Customers were insulting you on your cable. Eh? Is that why you refuse to sell palm wine to them? Don't you know that from the proceeds of that shop is what we feed on?
Don't mind him. I know what your problem is. You're suffering from overfeeding, but no problem. If I see you anywhere around that shop again, I'm warning you before Mama now. If I see you anywhere around that shop again, I will behead you.
Now I see.
You say it's not working.
It's not working.
It's not working.
Only Sarah puts her own now.
Okay.
This is my father's What will I stop coming there?
Take back the food, Pico. You're not eating any more food.
Mama?
I think it is food that is making you senseless.
Mama,
your brain is as small as a cuckoo's own. If you like, take all the drugs in this whole world. Take the whole drug. That one is your business.
Mama, the drug is
fall inside the well.
Mama, give me food.
Eat now. The food is sweet now.
Echezona, I don't like the way you handled that issue. I told you it was not Olisa's fault.
Sister, Olisa was supposed to take care of you. Take good care of you, not hurt you. Look at your face.
But it wasn't intentional.
It wasn't intentional. It wasn't intentional. I don't care. As a matter of fact, you will not go there again. Since going there is no longer safe for you, I don't see any reason why you should be going to that place. Yes!
You don't have any right to make such decision for me. You're becoming overprotective. Oh.
Really? Look at your face! Sister, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please try and eat your food so that you can take your drugs and rest. Please. Yeah? Piccolo. I'm sorry, alright? Let me drop this on the floor here. Nem. Chibugom, my only beautiful sister in the whole world, though. Not only in this village. You know you're beautiful. See, anytime you go there, we say, look at Echezona's beautiful sister. And you remain beautiful for me, Okwema. And you know you're the only reason why I want to be a surgeon. So that you can use this your eyes and see. You know? Anytime you're not happy, you know I'm not happy. Look at the beautiful face and look at what happened to it. How do you expect me to be happy? And I smile for me now. Don't worry, you will marry a very rich husband though, that will buy me a Jeep and will change this our house to upstairs. You know. And I will always come and see you. I will follow you to your husband's house. So you'll be happy. Eat your food. Eat your food. No, I'm here. See me here. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. You like it? You like it, eh? Let me keep that down. See, if you finish eating and you want another one, just tell me. I will go to the kitchen and prepare another one for you. That is why I'm here for you now. So that you eat. Don't be angry. Eat very well. So you take your drugs and sleep. Is it paining you? Hey, Ndo. Hey. See, next time, if you see such thing happening, run. Go and hide. Anywhere, under the table, anywhere. So if I come, I will see you, then I'll come and carry you. And I'll make sure it won't happen to you again. Yeah? Oh yeah. It's, yeah? Nemo. Omali Chamba.
He's just finished up before he comes in. You will see that you're hard-working young girl. And I'm almost done. Should be towards that area. Yes. Hey! My in-law.
Come on, listen.
My in-law, you're welcome. Hi, Udode. I just came to give you an answer to yesterday's proposal.
Is that so?
Yes, and when we stepped in, my daughter just noticed that your compound is unkept, so she decided to tidy up.
Hey.
She's very hardworking.
I can see.
Yes.
So she has accepted the request.
Yes, Nai. I'll marry your son. Thank you very much.
You don't need to thank me. My daughter, you don't need to thank me. You are doing me a favor. Okay?
Thank you, Nai.
Look, a good girl like you, and a hard-working girl for that matter, is difficult to find.
I know. She's very hardworking. Oh. Continue sweeping.
Thank you. Do.
Continue sweeping.
Imagine. Wonderful.
Yes, she's a hard-working girl.
I can see.
Anywhere she goes to, she's always tidying up and cleaning. You know the one that marvels me?
No.
Look at her now. Whenever she's sweeping, she smiles. If she's not singing, she's smiling. She was singing. I said, no, maybe somebody's inside the house.
No, nobody there. Nobody.
Hey, Jessica, sweep.
Hey, Melissa, let us go. Sit down.
Oh,
sit down
okay.
first. It's too late now. Let she come and rest.
No, let her finish up. Yeah. Mazi, sit down. I'm just supervising.
This is wonderful.
Sit down, Mazi.
Stop there. Stop. I warned you never to step your foot into this place again. What are you doing here?
Olisa, this is our father's property. So it belongs to both of us, not only you. So you cannot stop me and do my business here. Yes.
Okay. I'm coming.
Can you imagine? I'll do my business. How can you stop me from doing my business? Can you imagine? So what are you doing?
It's your father's property, right? If you are a man, cross this line.
Olisa, I should cross this line. Olisa, you say I should cross this line. I will do it too, because this is our property, not only you. You cannot take what belongs to me. Olisa, Olisa, give my trouble. Everybody come and hear my voice, come and hear my voice. Olisa, I want to die, I will kill somebody. I will kill somebody here, Olisa. I will kill somebody here. This property belongs to both of us, not only you. You want to take it? Do you want to take what belongs to me? You cannot do it. You cannot do it. I will cross. I will cross. I will cross. I will cross.
Cross now. Cross.
Okay. Olisa, you. Okay. Olisa, no problem.
That's my name.
Don't worry, Olisa, don't worry. I know where I'm about you. No problem.
No, this girl is good. Very hardworking.
I trained her well.
I can see.
She'll keep everywhere clean.
Come. My daughter.
No.
What is it? You still want to start washing clothes? No, please. You have done enough. I am okay with the one you have done. Please. Have a rest. Thank you.
You shouldn't be thanking her. She's doing her duty as your daughter-in-law.
I know. But she has done enough. I am satisfied with the one she has done. Please. Let she rest.
Nine, it's not much. Let me just quickly finish it.
I'll finish it. I'll wait for you.
Nine, don't hesitate to call me whenever you need my assistance.
Oh,
Wonderful. Can see. Such a nice girl, such a beautiful and hardworking girl. Yeah. I am sure my son would like to marry you.
Thank you, Mike.
When you call him, just tell him we're asking after him.
Sorry, surely I will do that. Okay?
Extend our greetings.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
Yeah?
I'll wait for you. I'll wait for her.
You still want her to do the washing?
Nani, please. She's just practicing now.
That would be an overwork, overload on her.
It will not be any overload. Please, when you talk to your son, extend our greetings.
It's okay. Surely I will do, eh?
Okay.
I will do.
Now just wash up so that I'll wait for you, eh? I'll see so.
Chibugo.
Olisa, is that you?
Yes, it's me. How are you, my love?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm alright. I didn't see you today. Wait, was Echozona serious about what he said?
Obviously, he is. He even wanted to take me to Mami Forma's house, but I refused, knowing that you're going to come here.
But I begged Echozona and I told him it was a mistake. It's risky to leave you here all by yourself. Talk to him. Talk to him.
I will, but you know he's very stubborn.
Alright, don't worry, I'll talk to him myself, okay?
Okay.
Meanwhile, I brought you pepper soup.
You did?
Yes, sir. You like it?
Thank you.
It's very tasty.
Thank you. Wow, it's very sweet.
You like it?
Yes, I love it.
I said, why are you holding me? Leave me! Leave me! Huh? Me? You don't have respect. You are squeezing me.
What is wrong with my son?
Huh? Mama.
Please.
Leave me! Leave me!
Put him down here. Put him down.
You don't know my mother will beat you. Leave me alone. Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! You don't have respect.
What is wrong?
Why are you holding me?
Mama, we saw him on the road to Kano village.
On the road to Kano village?
Yes, Mama.
EBERE, what was taking you to Kano village?
Mama.
When you're supposed to be at the joint with your brother, Olisa.
Mama. Olisa had the guts to chase me out of my own father's property. Mama. No, don't worry. Let him come back. I'm waiting for him. I will face him man to man. Mama, please tell him not to carry gun. Tell him not to carry gun. This house will not contain both of us. Why are you holding me? Why are you holding me? Why are you holding me? I said, why are you holding me? Leave me! Leave me!
I want to take you to your house. Let's go.
Huh? Me? You don't have respect. You are squeezing me.
What is wrong with my son?
Huh?
Mama.
Please.
Leave me! Leave me!
Put him down here. Put him down.
You don't know my mother. My mother will beat you. Leave me alone. Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! You don't have respect.
What is wrong?
Why are you holding me?
Mama, we saw him on the road to Kano village.
On the road to Kano village?
Yes, Mama.
EBERE, what was taking you to Kano village?
Mama.
When you're supposed to be at the joint with your brother, Olisa.
Mama. Olisa had the guts to chase me out of my own father's property. Mama. No, don't worry. Let him come back. I'm waiting for him. I will face him man to man. Mama, please tell him not to carry gun. Tell him not to carry gun. This house will not contain both of us. No problem.
Mama, do you know that he finished all his palm wine?
Are you sure you people did not join him?
Mama, no now.
Are you serious? Ibekwe, what have I done? What have I done to you, Ibekwe?
Nothing new.
Ibekwe, can you find Melage? You're not even taking after your father. Your father was not a drunk. Neither is your mother a drunk. Ibekwe, can you find Melage?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. He will sleep here until the king will follow.
Are you going?
Mba.
Come and take me inside. Do you know who I am? The only young, successful palm wine pepper in this village. You don't know. I'm telling you who I am. Mama, take me inside. Mama, take me inside. Go and bring me food. Go and get me food. Go and get me food. Go and bring me food.
What are you to do?
Mama. Oh God, I'm finished. How do I go about this? Who could have stolen that money? Eh? How do I explain this to my sister? How do I tell her that I have lost the money that we have been saving for my JAMB exams? Just few days to the exams. Oh. So this is how I will lose my opportunity of writing this JAMB. Is this how I will fulfill the promise I made to her?
Echezona, I never knew you are this wicked. How could you? How could you abandon your only sister at home all by herself? It's unfair now. It's unfair. Huh? You know her condition and... Are you okay? Eche, why are you crying? Ogini. Echezona. Eche.
Echezona.
Sister.
Is that you?
Yes, sister, I'm back. Hope you're fine.
Yes, I'm fine. That reminds me. Olisa was here today. He said he needed to see you.
Okay, yes. I saw him on my way back. So let me quickly prepare lunch.
Echezona, wait. Have you been crying? Echezona, tell me.
I'm here.
What is wrong with you? I can sense it in your voice. You have been crying. What is wrong?
I lost the money for the job.
What?
Yes, they stole it in the job class today. I don't know how it happened. I put it in my pocket.
Oh my goodness! Tell me you're lying! Echezona, tell me you're lying!
Sister,
Echezona! What have you done?
Sister, please, I don't know.
What is right for this time? Echezona!
point is clear and simple. I can't continue doing that business with EBERE. He is a drunkard, so he should continue drinking.
Biko, Nkabu, your mother begging you. Please, forgive this boy and give him a second chance. If you leave him out there, he will become a disgrace to the whole family.
I don't care.
Eh? Wait. Mama, say again. So because I decided to drink my own palm wine, I'm not a disgrace to the family, Abi?
You're walking. Shut up. Shut up that dirty mouth. Are you not ashamed of yourself? The other day you made a spectacle of yourself. Okay, Zura? Eh? One more word from you. You will never step a foot into that joint.
Huh? Mama, it's a lie. Nobody can stop me from using my father's property.
Okay, sir. I know what your problem is. Overfeeding. But that's by the way. Mama, can I retire now?
I have good news for you people. You know, earlier today, Mazi Ignatius called me. He said that his son that went abroad to study medicine is coming back. And he's coming back to ask for your sister's hand in marriage.
Huh?
Yes, doctor.
Mama, this is good news. Hey, good news. Mama, please, can you tell him, I would like to travel with him to abroad? Hey, I'll go. Neko.
What do you say?
I heard what you said. I hope he is a good man.
Yes, brother. He's a very good man and I love him.
He's a very good man and you love him. Someone you barely know.
No, I know him. He's a very good man. I remember when the boy was born. Fred, hey, good man.
Mama, when he comes back, first.
So what do you like him?
Hey, Mama, please. Just take him now. I want to travel abroad. Do you understand?
Do you sometimes listen to yourself? No, when no bullet can cook or Dikeh.
You see, from this end to this end, up to that tree, it's my land. I want you to clear it for me. How much will you charge?
Up to that place?
Yes.
Madam, it's big, oh. It's big.
This thing is big.
Madam, look at this thing now. It's very...
It's just that tree now.
Okay, madam, you know what? I'll do it for just 20,000.
Huh? 20 what?
20,000.
For this small piece of land? 20,000.
Madam, you call this small piece of land?
That money is much, oh.
From this place to that place, oh. It's big, and I will do it very well for you.
See the way you're saying to that place, as if it's... Look at the tree I'm talking about.
I know now.
It's 20,000 is too much now. I'll pay 5,000 naira, please. Please, I'll pay 5,000.
Madam! 5,000? Madam, don't you have your sympathy? For this big land! And I will do it very well. I will pack all the grasses in one place so that I will burn it. And you say 5,000 is poor now.
Listen, I don't pluck money from trees. Eh? I will pay 5,000 naira. That's all I have. It's 5,000 I will pay, please.
Hi. Oh, madam. Okay, fine, no problem. I will.
And please, I want you to please do it very well. And be careful of my banana and plantain trees, please, including my pineapple. I don't want anything to go wrong with them. Please. Hey. Please.
Okay, madam, please add small thing. Add something to the price so that you can...
Don't worry.
Be able to eat.
There's more. This one you're saying is just small. There's more. I'll give you. Don't worry. Okay? Just do this one first. Make it fine. Then you see more. Don't worry. Just try. I'll see you later. Mama.
She?
Which is on now?
Yes, I'm here.
I wish I can help you. I hope it's not too much for you. Huh?
She, please don't worry. Don't bother yourself. It's just a small piece of land. I'll finish it before you know it.
Okay. Please, don't hurt yourself, Inugo. Don't hurt yourself. Oh. Take it easy.
No problem. I'll do my best. Yeah? Okay. And let me take you to that place so that you go and sit down.
Okay.
While I come back and finish it.
Okay. Alright, take it.
Just take it easy.
Okay.
Just follow me. I'll take it easy. Fine here, yeah? If you want anything, tell me.
Okay. Take care of yourself, oh?
Okay.
Okay. Take care of yourself, okay? Don't hurt yourself, oh. Inugo.
Chibugo, my love, where could you be? I've been to her house and she's not there. Echozona, where have you taken my love to? I hope she's safe. When will I see her again? Just a glimpse of her will make my day.
This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Know the right thing and do it. Tell me why today's business will not go well. Huh? Thank God my brother is becoming wise now. Yeah? This is what I'm talking about. Man, customer, No, I didn't go home.
See? I told you I will finish it now.
So fast? So you're done already?
Yes now.
Hey, you better go see so.
Oh, very. Even if you want nigga, I told you now, it's a small portion.
I'm so happy for you. They couldn't even check on the.
What? Hey! Get it Hey! Something! Sorry.
Chai, if only sinaga biganeluwa, ewu chimo, ebekino.
Olisa, you have not been yourself since today. Are you okay? Olisa. Olisa, what is it now?
Today is a bad day.
Oh yeah. My sister. What happened to her leg? What? My sister's leg. What happened to her? Her leg. Oh. She was missing my snake. Oh. Hey, whoa. Wait, please. Oh, please. Hey, whoa. No. Okay. Hey, whoa.
This is cobra bite.
Hey.
And it's dangerous.
Cobra.
Yes.
Hey, whoa. No.
I think we should just close. We need to leave here.
Huh?
Yes.
What? We still have some pepper soup left.
Like how many plates?
4 meat. Okay, like 2 plates now. But no problem. If you say we should close, there's no problem. I will close. I will finish the remaining one.
My friend, don't be stupid. That's all you know how to do. Finish. Put it in a flask for me.
Huh?
Are you deaf?
Hey, please, do something. Do something to save her. She's all I have, please. Please.
You are in the right place.
Okay. Don't worry.
I know what to do.
Oh, okay, good. Please.
It will cost you 5,000. 5,000 naira.
Hey, 5,000. Hey, just start. I'll pay you. Money is not the problem. I'll pay you. Please.
My son, I don't work like that.
Hey.
I must get my money before I can touch her.
Hey, Igwakala, please now.
Snake bite.
Igwakala, please now, please. Okay, yes, just start immediately. I go for Mamuko. I will go and collect the money. I'll come
Listen
and pay
to
you.
me. Go and get money.
Just start, eh? Let me rush and go and bring it. Yeah?
Go and get me money.
Yes, yeah,
if
I'll
you want
go.
me to help you, then the better.
Hey.
Chai, if only sinaga biganeluwa, ewu chimo.
Madam. Hey. Madam. I was on my way to your house before I saw you leaving. I finished the work.
Oh, just like that? Now?
Yes, ma.
Are you serious? Hey, I hope you did it well.
Yes, ma. I did it very well, ma. Just that something happened.
What?
A snake bit my sister as we were about to leave.
Hey, a snake?
Yes, ma.
Hey! So, where is she now?
I took her to the herbalist. And the herbalist said he must pay 5,000 before he commences treatment.
Is that why you're looking for me?
Yes, ma.
Hey.
Yes, ma.
Okay, fine. My son is aware you are coming. As you can see, I'm going out and I'm not with the money here. So just go to my house. Oh,
Thank
sorry.
you.
Ondon.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, please greet her for me, oh.
Yes, ma.
Sorry. Hey.
Ugo? Who is it? Can I never? Ugo? Yes. Nadaro. I met your mother on her way out. And she said I should come and meet you to give me the 5,000. I finished the work.
Oh, were you the one that did the job?
Yes.
Hold on, let me come. I was eating.
Okay, please be fast. I'm in a hurry. Fast. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ugo! What I agreed with your mother is 5,000. And you're giving me 3,000.
What you agreed with her is 5,000?
Yes, please complete it. I'm in a hurry. I need to go and pay the money somewhere. My sister is somewhere.
How? Please. What did you do? Just cleaning of a plantation, nobody plantain. Did you all iso lepa? Oipa keso. In our here.
No. Ugo, please. I don't have problem. I don't want any problem. Please complete my money. Let me go.
Eche, see, I gave you this 3,000 because it's you. If it's another person, it's 1,000. A man carry 1,000. Something that I would have even cleared for 2,000. More you me at 2,000. You're telling me.
Please, Ugo. Please, I beg you, in the name of whatever you respect, complete my money and let me go.
Hey, I ain't greedy. Why here? See, if you don't like this 3,000, go and rearrange that farm. Let me come and clear it. Go the matter here.
Ugo, complete my money and let me go.
How?
Complete my money, let me go.
So 3,000 I did okay.
Ugo, please give me my money. Please complete my money and let me go. I'm in a hurry. I told you this thing now. What's the meaning of it? What I agree with your mother is 5,000. You're giving me 3,000.
Do you want to fight me in my own house?
Sorry if I want to fight you, but please give me my money. I work for it now. Please, give me my money, please. Give me my money.
Why here?
This one you consider. Give me my money.
This one you consider.
Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money, Ugo. Give me my money. What is it? Give me my money.
Check out with you. Check and you say again.
Don't bring my money for me. See, money. Ugo. Ugo, give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. What if you hear me? I won't do anything. Come on, fire! You. Give me my money. What's this? Give me my money. This is 5,000 naira. It's what I do with your mother. Can you get now? What's wrong? Can you get now? You can't do that way. You won't do anything. You will not do anything. See, you will keep my money before I leave this place. You will keep my money. You will give me this.
Afufunyi sinatanenua. Ewuchimo. Chai. Ifonyi sinagabi.
Chibugo. Etazara. Baby. Ugo. Chibugo. Chimo. Etazara. Ugo. Chibugo. Ugom. I have a feeling that something is wrong somewhere. Where could she be?
Chai, if only Sinagabi Ganelua.
Sister, Hugo. Sister, please don't do this to me. Please don't do this to me. Wake up. Help! Help! Mama, what is it? I was trying to wake my sister up. Huh? She was not responding. My sister is not dead. The medicine I gave to her made her to sleep. Don't you see I've started the treatment? Look at the leg. Yes, she's just sleeping. Jim? Nemo. She is only sleeping. Jim, she's sleeping. Yes. Oh, Jim. Oh. Hey. What happened to your head? Where did you get this wound from? Hi. What is that? Hey. What happened? I was in a fight with Ugo. Why? Yeah, I went to Claire now. The mother gave him money to give to me. He said, "I'll give me the complete money." He gave me just 3,000. Then when I approached him, he now said that I overcharged the mother, that it's not supposed to be 5,000. That Ugo must be a stupid boy. If you think the money is too much, why didn't he do it himself? Yeah? But if I may ask you, why must you be clearing farm for people at this time? You're supposed to be in the school. God, let me see. Okay, well, let me see what I can do to the wound. Huh?
Anna, you're welcome. How was business today?
Anna, business. Business was going well when Olisa said we should close for the day.
What were his reasons for closing that early?
Mama, I don't know. He only told me that he had somewhere important to go. That I should pack the whole pepper soup in a class. I wish I did. He took it away.
He had somewhere to go.
Mama, now I know where Olisa went to. Hey! Mama!
Okay.
Mama, Olisa has deceived me. Oh. Hey! Mama! So it's because of that girl! Because of that girl, Olisa told me to close.
Which girl are you talking about?
Mama, Chibugo!
Chibugo? Who is Chibugo?
Mama, Chibugo! Don't you know Chibugo? Late Mazi Ikedi's daughter.
Chibugo, the blind girl?
Yes, Mama! Chibugo is now Olisa's girlfriend.
Hey! What is Olisa doing with a blind girl? Nigerian medicine?
I don't know.
Hi! Of all the girls in this town, in this village, or play a blind girl. Now Morocco.
Mama.
What?
Do you know? Me too. I'm confused. Oh, I'm confused. But Mama, if you see how Olisa gets carried away anytime he sees that girl.
Yes, should not hear what you're saying, please. Please help me carry this water.
I might have to warn Olisa out. So because of that girl.
It's
that
okay.
Girl. No problem now.
Water.
No problem. We have to
the back.
That was what happened.
You and your sister are passing through a lot. It's a pity. But isn't there any other thing you can do to get the money?
I wish there is. I just wish.
Echezona, I will help you.
Huh?
Yes. I'll give you the money.
Thank you.
Thank God. But under one condition.
What condition?
How did Mama get to know about Chibugo?
I told her now.
Hey, you told her why? Did I ask you to tell her?
Wait. Were you hiding it from her?
Whether I'm hiding it from her or not, it's none of your business. You are not the right person to tell her.
Sorry, my mistake.
You talk carelessly. Must you? Echezona. Hey, where have you been now? I've been looking for you and your sister everywhere. How is Chibugo?
In case you don't know, she was bitten by a snake. Yes.
Wait. How? When? Why? Where?
It was at the farm. When I went to claim Amogo's farm. That was when she was bitten.
Hey! This is serious. Okay, where is she now?
She's at the herbalist place. In case you're planning to bring her here, the herbalist said she's going to stay with him for 3 days.
Hey. This is serious, so let us order. Chibu go snake. Bye. Look on go to Chibu. Snake. She was bitten by a snake. Jesus. Hey, this is serious.
Are you going there?
Mba, I'm flying there. It's a lie. Herbalist. So this is how you treat people?
No, I was just trying to check.
This is... Wait, Olisa. Herbalist. So this is how you treat people. So this is... Yeah.
Hi, Papa.
My daughter.
Hope you enjoyed the food.
My daughter, I really enjoyed it. You are not just beautiful and hardworking. You are equally a good cook. The exact kind of girl my son asked me to find for him. Don't worry. I will talk more of you to him. Okay?
Thank you, Nai.
I assure you, he will marry you.
Thank you, Nai. I'm coming. Let me drop this dress.
Okay.
Thank you.
Rubbish. Arrant nonsense. Useless diabetic old fool.
Olisa, is that you?
Yes.
Who was that?
Don't worry, my love. Listen. We have to leave here now. This man is evil. I caught him trying to rape you. Yes, we are leaving here now.
Rape me?
Yes.
Hey.
Take it easy. Easy. Can you imagine? Hold this.
Rape me?
Useless man.
Hey.
My love, please put your leg. I caught that old fool trying to rape you.
Hey, rape me.
Let's go. Wait. In fact.
I love you, oh no. I love you, if more. I love you, onye will know me. If more, I'll be there for you. I love you, oh more.
But you're done?
Yeah, I'm done. Thank you very much. Frederick will be very happy. Fred will be very happy. It's okay.
Please, I beg to take my leave now.
You want to go?
Yes, sir.
It's all right. Wait. Okay, just have this, okay?
No. No.
No.
I'm okay.
My daughter, I am your father-in-law, for goodness sake. Don't reject such gifts. Eh? So receive it. Take it, yeah? Take it. As a woman. Fine girl. You have been working.
Wow. So much love here. The drink is very sweet. Yeah, very okay. It's a very nice place.
Yeah.
So what do you want?
I want pepper soup.
Okay. There's a brother.
Did this is my brother here? Did you see him here?
So he let this shop for you again.
Amibo. Wait. Did you have any problem with that? Do you have any problem with that? Tell me. Annoy.
Well, that's not my business. Just give me a plate of pepper soup.
Yes, a plate of pepper soup. Be fast about it.
Wait, I'm coming.
You know, after we're gonna move to my place.
Yes.
Please, you can enjoy this tea.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So let's get up on your favorite. What's up on it?
Just look at the guy you even asked for something. He's not even making a move.
Please, I need a plate of pepper soup.
Yes, I will attend to you last. Yes. Oh, you want to go? If you want to go, now you go now. You go. See, let me tell you, if I tell you what I used to pass through in that forest, you will not be attending to me. Okay. Wait, I'll attend to you very soon.
This call from me. This guy is so annoying.
You don't want the soup again? Alright, go now. Nonsense. See my palm wine. You are here asking for pepper soup. No.
Chibugom, had it been you told me, I would have given you the money. And this wouldn't have happened. Eh?
Really?
Yes. Listen. You are the love of my life. Nothing is too much for you. Having said that, I will still give you the money. Okay?
Don't bother yourself. The herbalist has given him the money already. Don't bother yourself. Oh?
But you should... Oh. Etizana. You're welcome. Why did you bring her back here now? Eh? I told you that the herbalist said she needs to stay with you for 3 days. Etizana, calm down and listen. You are being overprotective in a wrong way. Look at what happened. I went to the herbalist's place, only for me to find out that he was trying to rape her.